In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use GearUp Booster for Fortnite. The first thing that you want to do is to get the application from Windows on your consoles or on your mobile devices depending on the device that you are currently using. And from there, we then want to head over to the application. It's going to be GearUp. And then you simply want to create your account first things first on the official website, or you can just head over to the application. And from here, you then want to scroll down, look for Fortnite. Unfortunately, I don't have my Fortnite application available as of the moment because it's currently updating. But you then want to find Fortnite. You then want to click on it, and then you want to click on the boost button. After clicking on boost, it will then load for a couple of seconds, and right after that, we have successfully used GearUp Booster on our Fortnite game. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.